Hey, good evening traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at PLTR, Palantir Technologies, and do an updated analysis on it. And boy, do we have some updates here. So as many of you know, we had a massive sell-off in the market today, which caused Palantir to drop nearly 12%, just over 11% on the 24-hour, and on the daily it dropped about 9%. So you can see we're selling off even further in the after hours. Now, where does this put us? Well, if you recall my previous video, what you will have remembered seeing was that we were in this massive parallel channel, and then we broke out higher into this parallel channel here. Well, we just not only fell out of this upsloping smaller parallel channel, but we went right through the demand zone. That's not good, right here at 160. Closed that gap, which on the daily chart you'll see here, we filled that gap and we went right through it. So let me go back to the 24-hour chart. You could see that in the after hours, we're even trading down below the demand zone, or that little shelf right there. So we are nicely back inside this firm main channel. In my opinion, we've already put in a wave 5, so that I see that being Elliott wave 5 here, and we are now going to likely have an impulse down. So targets, where do I see Palantir going? In the short term, I could see Palantir having a bounce from here, possibly doing something like this, and then I see it attacking this channel, could do something like this, and then ultimately landing at 125. That's my price target for Palantir. Again, I think we could bounce from here, probably reattack the underbelly of this parallel. Maybe not though, maybe just do something like this, build bear flag here, because we went through this demand zone here so powerfully. We might not even attack the underbelly of this parallel. We certainly could at about 166, 167, which would be a great entry to short if you're not already short. But again, we might just do something like this and just build this, maybe this little, well, it'd be a pretty big head and shoulders. It'd be the small left shoulder, huge head, and then right shoulder here, which would give some symmetry. I mean, if we did something like this, it'd be a lopsided head and shoulder pattern. So maybe it does something like this, reattacks the top end of this parallel gap fill area about 160, builds some bearish structure, does a bear flag, and then attacks this 133, 134 before it finds a nice comfortable bounce, maybe back to where we are today, which is about 153, 154, and then where I think it's ultimately going is 124, and that area I think, or 125, and then from there I think we're going to get a pretty healthy bounce. Again, probably could even reattack this, or even maybe go higher. But then I ultimately think we're going lower. I think we will eventually, and you can mark this video, guys. I know I'm probably going to get a lot of haters because people don't think this can happen, but it will, and I certainly think it will. I think we're going to come ultimately down to here, about $100, where I think it will probably find a resting spot to where I think this is a great area to go long. You can see we built this massive bullish or bearish divergence. You can see as we were going up all the while, we were making lower lows on the RSI. We had a fake out here. We had a back test. Look at this. So we had a fake out to the upside. That's this right here. That's all this exuberance right here. We had a fake out. We came through it. We reattacked the top portion of this and found a rejection, and then it was game over from there. And here you can see what happened over the last 5 trading days or 6 trading days. So nasty sell-off in Palantir. I do not think it's done. I think we might see some bounces along the way, but this is the primary pathing I see. And yeah, that's pretty much where I see Palantir going. So again, I'd be on the side of finding short entry points. I'm already short the name via puts. I am comfortably in the money now, and I see it going a lot lower. So hopefully you guys find this analysis helpful. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and comment below. Tell me what you guys think about Palantir. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you neutral? What do you guys think? And yeah. See you guys on the next one. Please know that no financial advice is given, always for educational purposes, and to share with you what I'm doing with my own personal trading portfolio. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. A lot of good updates, a lot of bearish updates for you. So be sure to tune in over the next couple of days, because there are going to be some really, really good plays as volatility increases and as this market continues to make a move in a corrective pattern. So, all right, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.